Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on AutoCAD tutorials. In this session, we will see how to dimension an isometric drawing in AutoCAD. So first, we will have to go to dimension. Here I will choose aligned. I will give the dimension of this part and project it outside. If you see the drawing, there are few more dimensions given, so I will mark each one of them. So I will mark from here. You just have to change the orientation in case it is not working up to distance of 75. This is another distance I'll show here. So this distance is given. Also this one. This height is given. This thickness is given. Also this distance has been marked in the question. And lastly, we will see how to give the dimension for the semicircle and the circle. So for that, you will have to go to this leader option. Now suppose if I am giving the dimensioning for the semicircle, so I click on the semicircle and click outside. The radius is given as 25, so type capital R and 25 and click outside. If this text height is too big, press Ctrl A and reduce this to say 2.5 because the rest of the text height is 2.5. Also, I will go to leader once again and I want to give the diameter for this circle. So I'll click on the circle and project outside. For diameter, remember you have to press percentage small c. This becomes 5 and then 20. Now this text height also needs to be changed. So Control A and change this to 2.5. Enter and then click outside. You have given all the dimensions that are shown in this drawing in the 2D form. Now this 50 is also marked, but I have individually shown 35 and 15, so it is not required. So now if I want to align this, what I have to do is I will have to type BIM edit. So a shortcut. Click on oblique. Then click on the object which you want to orient. Press enter. Now you want to orient it this way. So click here and then align it behind. You can see I'm aligning it here and then I just clicking over here. So this gets aligned with this line. You have to align each one of them. So once this is done, I'll press enter, oblique, select this object, press enter, click on this point and align upward. So you can see this has got aligned. Again press enter, oblique, click here. Also you can click on this one simultaneously. Both of them are going to be aligned in the same direction. I'll click enter, click here and click upward. So they have got aligned in the vertical direction. Again click enter, oblique, select this 20, enter, click here and click like this. I want to change this orientation, so I'll click here and I'll click this way. So it will be on the base. Also this 75 is remaining, so click enter. This is in continuation because I have not pressed the escape button. Oblique, click on the 75, enter, click here and downward. Again click enter, oblique, click on this, enter, click here and this way. So this will get oriented. Now you can press escape. You can see all the dimensions have been aligned. So you can accordingly decide on its dimensioning in this way. With this, I end the session. I hope you have understood how to give dimensions to isometric drawing in AutoCAD. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.